After 6 weeks indoors, Andrew's hair is long and shaggy. He's going to cut his own hair with the Conair Ultimate Grip Clipper Barbershop Series.
I'm going for a short, clean-cut look that's easy to manage, and I'm starting with clipper attachment number 6.
First, Andrew is going to cut the top and trim it up and clean it up, then he'll move on to the sides. Next, Andrew is going to cut his sides of his hair with attachment number 4. The grip clipper makes it so much easier for him to cut his own hair. The final step to Andrew's haircut is trimming his beard. He's looking so great. He's so cleaned up and everything's looking awesome. Here's Andrew's final haircut. He looks great and so cleaned up. For you to cut your own hair at home, just make sure to start with a longer attachment and work your way down, so that way you have control over the length and cut and look that you're going for.